Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add a live chat button on your Squarespace website using Facebook Messenger. So this is completely free, very easy to do. I have it on my website right now, so you can see here at the bottom right, a little message comes up, says, hi, how can I help you? The person can just minimize this if they would like, and then it just has this little chat button in the corner at all times. When the person clicks on it, this thing pops up and it says chat with Bia Alvarez Design. Hi, can I help you? They can either log into Messenger, so like log into their Facebook, or they can just continue as guests. I have an automated message come up. Hi there. What can I help you with today? And then they can just write me a message and press send, and then I'll get the notification on Messenger on my Facebook, and then I can just talk to them live. This is a really great feature to add on your website for many different reasons. Maybe you're just selling a service, like a coaching service, and people are, they have questions, and maybe they're hesitant of booking a one-on-one with you, and this is an easy way to answer any questions they might have that might, encourage them to book right away. Or you might be, promoting a program or a course, or you're in the middle of a launch. There's so many reasons why this is beneficial. You don't have to have it on all the time. You can take in and out by just removing a simple code on your website. But it's just really important, I think, helpful to know that this is an option for you. So I'm going to minimize this and show you the steps to make this happen. So this is my business Facebook page. So you do have to have a business Facebook to be able to do this. And can I just move my face to the other side? So I logged into my Facebook and I went to my Bia Alvarez Design page. And I am going to scroll here on the menu all the way to the bottom onto settings. And then I'm going to click on messaging. Okay. And now I'm going to scroll down until I see right here, add messenger to your website. Get started. Alright, so the first thing we have here is set up your chat plugin. So I'm going to click on setup first. So we're going to select our language. I have it in English. Save and continue. Add your domain. So I already added the domain. So this is, from my website, biaalvarezdesign.com. So this would be whatever domain you have for your business website. Save and continue. And then it's going to give you a code. You're going to copy this code and add to your Squarespace website. So really easy, you copy a code and then you press next, and then it says paste the code into your website. It has step-by-step instructions, but I'm just going to show you now. So if we go to your website, and let me go all the way to the beginning so you know exactly what am I doing. So if I click on my website, and I go to settings, and then I'm going to go to advanced. I'm going to go to code injection. So the first section is header code injection. I'm going to scroll until I see the footer right here, and I want to paste it inside the footer. So I have a lot of code. Maybe you don't have any, so you can just paste it right away. Since I have all of this code here, I'm going to scroll down and paste it all the way at the bottom. So I actually already done this before, but let me just erase it. And I'm just going to paste it here to show you guys. And there you go. So you paste your code, and then you click save. And that's it. But now let's style this, because you want to make sure that it matches your branding on your website. So I'm going to click finish and then click done. Mine is already styled. I already went ahead and made sure that the colors match the color of my brand, but I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So the next step would be start the conversation. I'm going to click on this arrow down, and it gives you the option to have a little welcome message pop up when the person clicks to have a chat with you. And you can change this to whatever you like. I have, hi there, what can I help you with today? I actually just saw this option to add an emoji. Should we add an emoji? Okay, I'm like thinking too much, but you can change this, and maybe if you are, it can be very you know, it can be like, hi friend, I would love to like get to know you, like what can I do for you today? Something like that. And then you can give them options of like starter questions. I have this turned off, but if you turn this on, it's gonna show you them a couple of options like to get started, to get the conversation going. So these are two options: where are you located, how else can I contact you? Of course, like this wouldn't apply for you if you don't have a store, so you can go ahead and click on the little edit button and change this question, and you can have an automated response. So if you're not online at the time when the person replies and messages you, an automatic reply will go to them. So we are located at, you know, address here. So then when they click on this, it would like show up with the address for your store if that was the case. So you could set this up if you would like. I'm gonna turn them off because it just, I don't know, it doesn't apply to me at the moment, but I can see how it could be very useful during a launch of a new product, to just have a few questions set up, you know. So when you're done, I'm gonna close this, and then the next one is to customize your chat. So first, again, it gives you a little text here in the front, in the beginning when they open the chat. I have a hi, how can I help you? You can have the same as how it says inside, it doesn't matter. So you can click on the little edit button and change your message if you would like. Guest chat, I have this turned on. That means that they don't have to log in to Facebook to chat with you. It gives them the option to continue as a guest. So I would recommend to have this on. And then custom color, 100% have it on. Because look, if I turn it off, it's gonna be the blue, the same blue that Facebook uses. And I don't want that. I wanted to match my website. So I turned it on and it undid the work. But if I just go to my website, I actually have this little plugin over here. It's called, see, Color Pick Eyedropper. If you use Chrome and you Google Color Pick Eyedropper extension, you can add this to your toolbar. And when I click on it, it allows me to pick colors on a website, and it gives me the code. So I'm just gonna copy this code, and I'm gonna close this window, and then I'm gonna paste the code here. I'm gonna take this out, paste it. See, so now it matches my website. So you wanna do the specific color that you use for your branding because you want consistency, okay? Alignment, I have it to the right. You can change if you like. Bottom spacing is just how close to the edge of the bottom it is. I moved it down until I thought it was in a good place. Even 10 looks good. And then for mobile view, if you just click on mobile, here you can also adjust the spacing, because you don't want it to be on the way, you know. I'm gonna keep it at 15. Automatically expand means that as soon as someone goes to your website, the pop-up message comes up. Like as soon as they pop out, you know, go into your site. I didn't necessarily want that for my site because I thought it was keeping the website very busy. So I turned this off and I just have it at the bottom, and then the person wants to chat with me, they can just click on the button. And then when you're done, you're gonna click publish here at the bottom. It's a little covered, but you're gonna click publish, and then it's going to update the code that you added to your website, and then you should be there. So now, see if I refresh. Oh, I removed that. So I'm gonna try again. I'm gonna open an incognito window, and I'm just gonna go to my website. it's not showing. Why did I not? Oh, it's showing now. Just took a second. Yeah, I have my pop-up. See, so the little message comes up. How can I help you? And that's it, guys. So if I say continue as guest, and the message pops up, and I like this is a test, and I send. Now, if I go to my Facebook, a message should have popped up. See. This is a test, so someone just messaged me. So you're gonna get it right away, and you can reply to them and you can talk to them. Well, I hope that this was helpful, and I think it's really important to empower you guys with tools to make your business run as smoothly and amazing as it can. I will talk to you guys soon.